Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to write a code with the help of Chatgpt. So here I open the Chatgpt and I ask him to write a Bluetooth code in Arduino IDE for Esp32-cam, and then I asked him I want to send a hello the application on my phone, and then I told him that I'm using serial monitor on my phone as well. So here's the code that Chatgpt provided for me. I copy the code. Let's go to Arduino IDE, File, New Sketch. And close that one. Let's wait. And here we should clear this code and paste the code that Chatgpt provided for us. Let's verify it to see if we have any problem or not. And it might take several minutes, so let's wait. Alright, it was verified successfully. As you can see, I haven't connected any board, so let me connect it. Okay, it's connected. Let's upload it. It might take several minutes as well, so let's wait. If you have a problem with uploading the code on the board, you should watch my last video. I explained all the problem and I solved them, so we don't have any problem anymore. And when you see this message, you should remove the board from the computer, then remove the IO0 pin from ground, and connect the board again, and press the first. Let me open the serial monitor. Okay, I have connected. Let's press the reset button. As you can see, it's ready to connect. Bluetooth is ready, so now we should go to the phone. On the phone you should open the Bluetooth terminal. Before that you should enable the Bluetooth. Here you can see Esp32-cam. Alright, go here, devices, Esp32. Now we should receive the hello. As you can see, the green one is the data from computer. So let's send some data here. As you can see, we don't receive anything on the computer because we didn't ask Chatgpt to communicate, just we ask them to send data. If you want to receive data, you can modify the code or modify your question. Alright, as you can see, Chatgpt can help you on programming. If you ask them a question explicitly, it brings you an answer vividly. If you have any questions, write them down in the comment section below and I will provide an answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye.